Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to BCMA Basics online training. Welcome again. Today, we are going to cover the following skills. We are going to look at some email clients. Email clients are applications like Outlook. For example, on the phone, you use Gmail app, and there are other email clients such as Eudora, Netscape, Mail. In this session, we are going to focus only on the Outlook because that is the most of the time that's the most people use Outlook on their desktop as their email client. But you can feel free to use any other client of your choice. So the configuration details are provided, and inshallah I'll do a quick demo to show you how it's done. So what is an email client or a desktop email client? You can bring, with the help of a desktop email client, you can bring all your email accounts under one app roof. Deploy a range of productivity tools like scheduling, calendar, meetings, and stuff like that, and integrate your other favorite apps. They are easy to install and generally offer more power than web apps. When we say web apps, mean if you use Gmail on the Google or on the browser, it has limited interface and it has limited features. But with Outlook, you can go. It has been a go-to email client for businesses, large and small. So one of the benefit will be as a new director, when you log on or you start using your email on Outlook, so when you leave BCMA or you move on to a different role, all your emails will be saved locally on your computer, so you don't need to worry about losing them. And also, you can manage all your email needs without logging into Gmail. So let's begin with the demo, and then inshallah it will speak for itself. So let's quickly do the demo. For that, first of all, we go to our Gmail account and we log on. I am using the demo user, and you will be logging in with your own email account, the BCMA email account. So here, once I log on, the first thing I need to do, I need to go into settings and click on all settings. And then in here, I am going to go forwarding and pop IMAP email options. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to enable the IMAP. We are not going to use pop, not a very recommended method, but you can use it if you like it. However, Google supports IMAP, so use IMAP. So with these settings, you can leave them on. For example, over here it says auto expunge, meaning that immediate the server immediately. But if you don't want to delete from the server, then you should keep it off. Okay, meaning that when you delete from Outlook, it will also delete it from the server meaning the Gmail server. If you don't want the email to be deleted from the Gmail server, then you turn this value off. When your message is marked as deleted and expunged from the last visible IMAP folder, you can archive the message or move the message to the trash. Okay, so leave it archive, and then you can limit the folder size, or you, depending on how much your computer has storage, you can leave it on. Also, you can see that to configure your email client, such as Outlook, Thunderbird, iPhone, the configuration instructions are given right here. So before I click here, let me save the changes. And I would have to go back to look at those settings here, and then configuration settings. And here is the detailed information I'm looking for. So if you expand this, so they're saying that on your computer, open the Gmail, which we did. And then we went to all settings, and then we clicked on forwarding and pop IMAP, which I showed you. And then we enabled the IMAP. And then we also did save changes. Now, after that, these are some of the settings you need to do it in your Outlook client. Now, let me quickly switch over to Outlook. Um, I'm using Outlook 2019. So depending on your version of Outlook, the setup screen might be different, but they have made it really easy. So what you do, you basically go to File, and then you say Add Account, right? And then it is going to search for accounts, but then when it doesn't, it's going to give you a box for entering your email address. So let's wait for it. Okay, so my email account is demo.user@bcma.com, and then you say connect. Now, when you are logged on to the account, which I did earlier, you didn't have to do anything else. You just say click done, and now your Outlook will start to show you the demo user at the BCMA in your Outlook menu. And look what happened. It's going to start downloading all the emails from your Gmail account. Okay, so it takes a little while, and but you can start to see that there is an email came from Microsoft Outlook, which is a test message. Then that means your account is configured, fine. So if I receive an email in my Outlook or in my Gmail account, which is over here, let's go back to Gmail, and let's say compose a message to ourselves. Let's say demo user, and say test, and then say test, then let's say send. So we got an email to ourselves. But now if I go to Outlook, and if I say F9, or I don't even have to wait. So you see the email started to coming here. I do not, or I no longer have to stay connected with my Gmail. So maybe let's say if I sign out, so let's see what Outlook does now, because is it going to connect? Let's see. So far, so good. Okay, so I'm going to send an email. Let's see what it's saying. So the demo user, I'm going to send an email from my phone to my account and see how soon can I get a message. Okay, just give me a quick sec. Here we go. Demo user test from phone send. Okay, I've already sent it. And let's say if I do F9 here, F9 mean if I refresh the email, or I ask for it to fetch the new email, let's see if it does it or not. Okay, it's supposed to get that email. Oh, so it is there already in the important. So you can see, I mean, I made a lot of typos, but other than that, you can see the email is working fine. I don't have to go to my Gmail account, and I don't have to do anything else. I'm using my Outlook account. So let's go back to the demo quickly, or the final version here. So what we have learned is that it's super easy to configure your desktop email client such as Outlook, and you can connect it with your Gmail. And the configuration settings are over here. I'm going to put that link in the video as well. So so when it comes to managing your email, I think you need to take advantage of whatever you can get. So I recommend using Outlook for reading and writing your emails. So thank you. In the meantime, I just want to quickly show you our channel, the BCMA Basics channel, where you see these videos. So if you like these videos or you're finding them helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and also click on the bell icon when it's available, when you're signed in. And that way, any new videos comes, you will be able to watch them and learn some of the basics about BCMA business. There are 3 videos already available for you to get up and running with your email. So thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.